TCU provides is unmatched by anything else.
Students, by using new media, can produce a level of language that can't otherwise be demonstrated.
I absolutely would not have the job I have now if I didn't experience TCU and be able to learn from all the different new media opportunities I was presented with.
I continue to be high on the idea that this is a really good product and a really good format for foreign language teachers.
And the studio was a great resource for us because it not only gave us a place to meet and brainstorm, but it gave us a place to literally concept and design the presentation for our journal.
It's far more pertinent to their lives because the students all have technology in their lives already.
I never felt at any point in time in my time at TCU that what I was doing was not going to help me.
So in terms of AdRen students, it's an amazing opportunity for you to write and get a job doing it.
It is a different product. It's a fresh product. It is not a pen and paper product.
When you sow the seed of what they could be doing if they're not already doing it with new media, they just explode with ideas. And we see then a far more vibrant, relevant discipline than the old-fashioned ways alone.